Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Tonovet, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. How you doing? How's everything? So in today's video, I will be doing a Valentine look. Yes, so Valentine is already on the way, so let me just show you guys how to slay a bit. Yeah. So please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification when I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm using got to be gel to brush my brows so that they can stand. Then so I'm using this to draw my brows. So I'm just going to carve my brows, like give it the shape I want. Then I will draw a light strokes on it. Yes guys, that's what I am going to do. So if you want to see a full detail, like a very detailed brows, I'm gonna put the link or the video somewhere on the card or in the description box, so go check it out. Here guys, so I will be coming back time to time to explain things going on in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eye. This shade is a bit lighter, so I'm going to put that at the lower bottom of my brows. Yes. So I'm going to use this shade as a bit close to my skin color for my upper brows. Then I'll use my angle brush to really blend this out. That brush is from Revolution Pro. Yes, their brush sets. I got this for like I think £20. Yes, from London. Yeah. So we're going to just keep on defining that our brows so that it will come out nice angle and looking slick. Yeah. So I'll come back later and I'll check on you guys. So guys, I'm using LA Girl face primer, yes, to prime my face. This is so nice, like it closes all my pores and make me have like a smooth finishing base for us to apply our foundation. Yes. Then I'll also use Maybelline foundation, 24 hours wear foundation. Yes, and this is the foundation I'm using in my own shade. It's like coffee, not coffee, caramel, sorry, caramel shade. Yeah, because I look like a camera girl. Yeah guys. 8-way blend. The thing is, for as far as you know how to blend, everything is possible. So I'm using my contour kit to powder to contour my face. Like everywhere I used the foundation to contour, I just contour, you know they do it, guys. So we contour our nose. Everywhere needs to be snatch. Yes, guys. So I went back again with the powder gloss to have that, tiny slim nose. Get on dancing. Love dancing. Yeah. So if you're using Patricia Blythe's palette, this is one of my favorite palettes. So I've listened to music, but don't copyright it. So guys, I love this palette so much, like really so much. I want to play with those blues. I'm gonna do a look very soon. I did a review of this palette, so go check it out, guys. I'm gonna put it somewhere. Here I am priming my eyes so that we'll have a good base to apply our shadow. Yeah, that's what I am doing right now, and you'll see very soon I've already done one eye because my phone decided to fuck up. So guys, my phone, it was hot and the camera decided off, so I used that process to finish this eye. So this one will be great. Let's get to this, guys. So guys, I'm using Queen. Yes, that's the shade I am using, Queen. So I zoomed the phone a bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm still using Queen. Just swipe. I'm just sweeping it. I say sweeping. And the brush is like an angle brush, but it serves the purpose I needed it for. So I'm going to use this brush that has like a pointy mouth, so it'll be able to give me the V. Then I took Pillow Talk from the palette. I'm using Pillow Talk to like create a V on my eyelid. Yes, so I'm just creating the V, like V, drawing the lines, then later I will go back again and dab. I just needed to make sure I get the line I want. Now I'm just dabbing it. I'm not more drawing the line, just dabbing it. I'm going to cut my crease with that LA Pro concealer. I'm going to use a flat brush to cut my crease. It's really a very simple look that you can just do. It's not really dramatic, apart from the shimmer that made it a little bit dramatic. Yeah, just the shimmer. So I'm cutting my crease with LA Pro concealer. Then and I went back with Queen so all those places will get blended out very well. Then I am using shimmer for my inner tear dot. There is nothing like inner tear dot, guys. There is nothing like inner tear dot. Then I'm going back again with another mark, but this is a pencil liner to line my inner eyes. Then went back again with the same brush I use for pillow talk. Then I am using Maybelline, and I'm done with my brows and everything, and will complete the look. I am dusting out all the unnecessary powders on my face. Yes, I'm dusting those out. Then I'm going to set my face with my MAC Mineral setting spray, which will help us to dim the powder on our face. Don't worry, it's gonna dim everything will be blended. I'm using Fit Me in the shade 350 to, that is my finishing powder, to blend everything all together. So guys, how do you guys see this look? Let me know. Now we are going to glow. I'm using Sunkiss Glow. It's a highlighter stroke bronzer, just to give myself that beautiful glow we need. Then I'm glowing. Then I'm going to use this NX Born to Glow and mix those two together so that the glow can come outside. We need to shine. Like, this is a very, very good look for Valentine's Day, guys. Like, when people see you in the restaurant, they'll be like, who is that chick? Who is that babe? Who is that sweetie that is coming, that is glowing? You understand? The spotlight will be on you. So I'm also doing that to my nose. And